mirrorless is the future of filmmaking, content creation, photography. DSLR was, having the market share. Mirrorless will become the game changer.
What was that kick which you got in life कि मुझे इसी फील्ड में कुछ करना है?
I was born on 19th of August. 19th of August is World Photography Day. I started with Discovery production team who wanted to shoot, and I, assisted them. I would just pick up the tripods and walk with them.
If there's a visual story, so what makes it more powerful and memorable for the viewers?
If you're telling stories which are novel, which are exclusive, I think that makes you a great storyteller. But then there is this one artisan, her name is Kartiki Gonsalves. She made the first Oscar for India in documentary. We all see elephants. She saw the elephants, but she understood that there is some story. She was able to tell this story exclusively. No one else shot it in that way. Using a hidden camera has come down to like using a mobile phone. Whatever you're seeing, that's exactly what you're shooting.